Eiffel Tower, an iconic iron structure located in Paris, France, holds immense historical significance as one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Constructed for the 1889 Paris Exposition Universelle, the tower was designed by the renowned engineer Gustave Eiffel to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution and served as the entrance arch to the exhibition. Its creation marked a significant moment in engineering history, showcasing the innovative use of wrought iron on a grand scale and reaching unprecedented heights of 984 feet or 300 meters at the time. The historical significance of the Eiffel Tower extends beyond its initial purpose as an exposition centerpiece. It quickly became a symbol of technological prowess, national pride, and artistic achievement for France and Paris. Initially met with some criticism and skepticism during its construction, the tower eventually garnered admiration and awe, becoming an enduring emblem of the city's identity and cultural heritage. Throughout the years, the Eiffel Tower has witnessed significant historical events, further solidifying its status as a symbol of resilience and unity. During World War II, the Nazis attempted to destroy the tower, but their efforts were thwarted by the French resistance, strengthening the tower's symbolic value as a testament to the French spirit. Moreover, the Eiffel Tower has been at the center of various international events, hosting large celebrations and welcoming numerous dignitaries from around the world. Its illuminated presence during events like the New Year's Eve celebrations adds to its allure, drawing millions of tourists annually to Paris. Today, the Eiffel Tower remains an essential part of Paris's cultural heritage and a global symbol of romance, architectural brilliance, and artistic vision. Its silhouette has been immortalized in countless films, literature, and artworks, further cementing its place in the hearts of people worldwide. The construction of the Eiffel Tower stands as a testament to engineering brilliance, presenting numerous challenges that engineers of the time had to overcome. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, this wrought iron marvel was built for the 1889 Paris Exposition Universelle and held the record as the tallest man-made structure in the world until the completion of the Chrysler Building in 1930. The engineering challenges faced during its construction were formidable, and the successful resolution of these obstacles solidified the tower's status as an engineering marvel. One of the most significant challenges was the unprecedented height of the tower. Engineers had to devise innovative solutions to ensure its stability and safety, especially considering the strong winds that could potentially sway the structure at such heights. To counteract these forces, Eiffel implemented advanced mathematical calculations, making use of truss design principles and triangulation to distribute the weight evenly and maintain stability. Moreover, the use of wrought iron in constructing such a massive structure was a remarkable engineering feat. Wrought iron, known for its strength and malleability, was an ideal choice for the tower's design. However, working with such large quantities of iron required sophisticated engineering and construction techniques. Eiffel's team developed a unique system of prefabrication, creating standardized pieces that were then assembled on site, increasing efficiency and ensuring precision in construction. Furthermore, the assembly process itself was a logistical challenge, with over 18,000 individual iron parts and approximately 2.5 million rivets used to hold the structure together. The completion of the Eiffel Tower in 1889 demonstrated unparalleled engineering ingenuity and set new standards for construction at the time. The architectural design of the Eiffel Tower is a testament to innovation and ingenuity, showcasing a structure that has become an enduring symbol of both Paris and engineering excellence. Its aesthetic appeal and functional design have made it one of the most celebrated landmarks in the world. The tower is divided into 3 levels, each serving a specific purpose. The first level, situated at 187 feet or 57 meters above ground, houses restaurants, exhibition spaces, and an interactive glass floor, offering visitors a stunning view of the surrounding city. The second level, located at 377 feet or 115 meters, provides a broader panorama of Paris and features a glass pavilion offering a unique vantage point. The third level, at a height of 906 feet or 276 meters, offers a breathtaking view of the city and beyond. It is accessible by elevators and showcases Gustave Eiffel's office, giving visitors a glimpse into the history of the tower's construction. The tower's elegance lies in its intricate lattice-like pattern of wrought iron, which contributes to its stability and creates a visually captivating appearance. The graceful curves and symmetry of the tower exude a sense of artistic beauty, captivating the imagination of people around the world. Moreover, the tower's design was heavily influenced by the aesthetics of the Art Nouveau movement, which was gaining popularity during the time of its construction. The movement emphasized organic and flowing forms, reflected in the tower's graceful arches and decorative elements. Unlike cast iron, wrought iron is more malleable and ductile, allowing it to be easily forged and shaped into the intricate lattice-like pattern that characterizes the tower. The flexibility of wrought iron made it well-suited for bearing the tower's immense weight while withstanding the strong winds that could impact such a tall structure. The use of wrought iron was a bold departure from conventional building materials of the time, which often relied on stone or brick, resulting in cost savings and more efficient construction methods. Additionally, wrought iron's high tensile strength played a crucial role in achieving the Eiffel Tower's impressive height, supporting its vertical loads effectively. To ensure the tower's stability and strength, Eiffel and his team employed advanced engineering techniques. The tower's unique lattice structure distributed weight evenly, making it highly resistant to external forces and minimizing the risk of structural failure. This complex assembly process required precise engineering and coordination to create a stable and durable structure. The construction of the Eiffel Tower presented significant transportation and logistical challenges due to the massive iron components involved in its assembly. The tower required the careful planning and coordination of materials from various locations to the construction site. One of the primary logistical challenges was transporting the enormous wrought iron pieces to the site along the Champ de Mars in Paris. The components were manufactured in different workshops located at Levallois-Perret and Auteuil, outside of the city center. To transport these components, Eiffel and his team utilized a network of horse-drawn carts, trains, and specially designed vehicles. Each iron piece had to be precisely measured and labeled to ensure seamless assembly. Additionally, the height of the tower presented challenges for the construction process itself, requiring a system to lift and assemble the massive components at such elevations. Eiffel and his team employed hydraulic jacks and cranes, innovative for their time, to hoist the iron pieces into position. The assembly process required careful alignment and placement of each component to achieve the tower's iconic lattice structure. Moreover, the construction of the Eiffel Tower was carried out with remarkable efficiency. Eiffel implemented a groundbreaking prefabrication technique, producing standardized components off-site and then assembling them on-site. This approach streamlined the construction process, reduced costs, and minimized the need for extensive on-site manufacturing. Furthermore, the construction workforce itself was a logistical consideration, with thousands of laborers and skilled workers involved in the process requiring detailed planning and coordination. Gustave Eiffel, a prominent French engineer and architect, played a pivotal role in the design and construction of the Eiffel Tower, leaving an indelible mark on architectural history. Born in 1832, Eiffel was renowned for his engineering expertise before taking on the task of designing the iconic tower for the 1889 Paris Exposition Universelle. His engineering background and experience in bridge construction were crucial in conceptualizing the tower's design. Collaborating with esteemed engineers Maurice Quechlin and Émile Nouguier, Eiffel employed advanced mathematical calculations and scientific principles in the tower's design. Truss design principles and triangulation were used to distribute the weight of the tower efficiently and maintain stability, particularly against strong winds at such heights. Despite initial criticism from some prominent artists and intellectuals, Eiffel remained resolute in his vision for the tower, believing in its potential as an engineering feat and an expression of artistic beauty. His determination and leadership guided the project to completion, and the Eiffel Tower was inaugurated on March 31, 1889. Gustave Eiffel's involvement solidified his reputation as a visionary engineer and contributed to the tower's enduring legacy as an iconic symbol of France and an engineering marvel admired worldwide. One of the most significant ways in which the Eiffel Tower influenced modern architecture is through its groundbreaking use of iron in construction. Prior to the tower's construction, iron had been primarily used for functional purposes in construction, such as bridges and industrial buildings. However, the Eiffel Tower's soaring height and artistic design demonstrated the potential of iron as a viable material for monumental structures. This influence paved the way for the use of iron in modern architecture. Additionally, the Eiffel Tower's engineering innovations set new standards in the field of structural engineering, revolutionizing the way large-scale structures were designed and opening new possibilities for architects and engineers. Furthermore, the success of the Eiffel Tower as a popular tourist attraction has shown the potential economic benefits of architectural landmarks. Many modern cities now prioritize the construction of iconic structures and landmarks to attract tourists and enhance their global reputation. The Eiffel Tower's maintenance and preservation have been a top priority since its completion in 1889, ensuring the iconic structure remains safe, stable, and visually captivating for generations to come. Regular inspections and evaluations are conducted by skilled engineers and technicians to identify any signs of wear, corrosion, or structural issues. Advanced techniques, including non-destructive testing and high-resolution imaging, are used to assess the condition of the tower's iron components and detect any potential anomalies in real time. To combat corrosion, the tower undergoes periodic repainting with the iconic reddish-brown color of Eiffel Tower brown reapplied every 7 years. Renovation and restoration projects are also undertaken to address specific issues and ensure the tower's longevity. Recent efforts include the installation of glass floors on the first level, providing transparent viewing platforms for a unique visitor experience. Preservation efforts extend beyond the tower's physical structure to its surrounding environment, including the Champ de Mars Park and Trocadero Gardens. Advancements in technology, including monitoring systems with sensors and data analytics, play a significant role in the tower's preservation efforts, tracking its movements, measuring wind forces, and detecting potential issues. The Eiffel Tower's significance as a major tourist attraction cannot be overstated. Since its inauguration in 1889, the iconic iron structure has become synonymous with Paris, drawing millions of visitors from around the world each year. Its impact on tourism in Paris has been profound, contributing significantly to the city's status as one of the most visited destinations globally. The tower's popularity as a tourist attraction has led to the development of a robust tourism industry in Paris, with hotels, restaurants, souvenir shops, and tour operators thriving around the Eiffel Tower. This economic impact has contributed significantly to the city's economy and provided employment opportunities for locals in the tourism sector. The tower's interior spaces, including restaurants, shops, and exhibition spaces, offer visitors opportunities to learn about its history, engineering, and cultural significance. The journey to the top provides a unique perspective of the city's beautiful architecture, iconic landmarks, and the River Seine meandering through the heart of Paris. The experience of seeing the city from such heights leaves a lasting impression on visitors, making the Eiffel Tower a must-see destination for travelers of all ages. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, remember to give us a like so we can continue making content that you love. Thank you.